Good afternoon, friends. Let's do a little activity together. We're going to be counting bugs. We're going to be counting bugs over here and matching them to the correct number. All right, so first let me make sure my pen is all set. Let's put it on black. Okay. So over here we have some caterpillars. Let's count the caterpillars. Ready? 1, 2, 3, right? Let's look over here. Where's the 3? There it is, right? Here's the 3. Let's circle the 3. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's circle it. Okay, 3 caterpillars. Let's move along. Here are some flies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Where's the number 4? Right, this one is number 4. Let's circle it. It's harder to circle with a mouse. Okay, great. Next we have some ladybugs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's find the 9. Right, this is the 9. Circle it. Awesome. Okay, here are the fireflies. I think they're fireflies because they look like a little, maybe it has a little light here. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's look over here. Where's our 7? Right, this is 7. Let's circle. Great. Oh, these are nice bumblebees. Let's count the bumblebees. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Where's the 6? Good, it's right in the middle. Let's circle the 6. Great. Oh, and these are our caterpillars, right? Let's count the caterpillars. Ready? 1, 2. Good. Where's the 2? Right, it's on the bottom here. Let's circle that. Great work doing the counting. Nice job. Let's see what else we could find. Okay, we're going to do another little activity on Boardmaker. This one I know you guys can do so well. We're going to sort the bugs. Bugs or food? All right, so let's see what we have down here. We have a bee. What's this? An apple, pizza, butterfly, cake, ant, caterpillar, and chips. A bee is a bee a bug or a food? Right, a bee is a bug. Good.
That's right. Bee belongs in bugs.
That's right. An apple, is an apple a bug or a food? Right, an apple is a food. You eat an apple. Good. So now we can say pizza is a good food. You're going to fill in that blank. A butterfly is a bug. Right. Cake is a food. Good. An ant is a bug. Good. A caterpillar is a bug. Great. Chips are a food. Good. All right, so let's look. Are these all things we can eat? Yes, we can eat pizza. We can eat chips. We can eat cake, and we can eat an apple. And are these all bugs? Yes, a bee is a bug, a butterfly is a bug, an ant is a bug, and a caterpillar is a bug. Great sorting, friends. I hope you have a great weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.